It is Sunday. It is test and tune day. We are heading to Nahunta Drag Strip. Got the trailer in tow, the hot rod's in the trailer. So we're heading to the track, but I'm gonna just see if I can just tweak on the tune just a little bit. Trying to get it ready for our no prep race coming up February 29th at Fayetteville Motorsports Park. I've talked about it a bunch. I hope we have a lot of people show up. We're gonna have a good time. We got two classes, the small tire class, and then we've got a street car class. Go to the website, turbojohnracing.com, and you can get all the information on everything that's going to be happening. We're excited. It's a beautiful day. High today is like 55 degrees here in North Carolina. So doing a bunch of testing and tuning, trying to get ready. So we got a couple things to do to the car before we get going. It was really sticky last time we went out, so we were trying to go faster. So we were trying to get that 480, 490 pass, but it didn't happen. But today we're just trying to go 540s, 550s, 530s if we're lucky. So, you know, trying to just get it more prepared, turn the boost down, turn the launch down, drop the air pressure. We got to put the weight back on the rear end, readjust all the shocks again, put the front end travel in it. So let's get started. I'm almost at the track right now. And just like that, we have put the 85 pounds, 90 pounds back on the rear end. So pretty easy to do. Now we're gonna go ahead and adjust the shocks. So we're gonna back them all the way off the full loose, all the way to the left. And now we're gonna tighten them up. We're gonna go a little bit firmer than last time. So we're gonna go 12 clicks on compression and rebound. So pretty easy to do. Loosen them up. And then count the clicks and tighten them up. Very simple, very easy. Get this thing pushed off. Let's try to start it. And there she is. Okay, there's a good crowd out here today. So we just got through setting. The travel limiters. Kind of hard to see. So we went from 2 nuts on the top to 3 nuts on the top. So that's pretty much full travel. Brandon is setting the tire pressure now. So the back is good. The tire pressure, we're going to go 13.5 pounds of tire pressure. So the motor's good. We got to put fuel in it, and I've got to get the laptop and change the tune-up, put the door on it. We have a lot of people ask about door hinges all the time. You see what Brian done? These are factory hinges, and Brian come up with this idea. He cut the top off and drilled this hole out. And then let me show you on the door. So on the door itself, he just tuck in and welded a bolt through it. Put a little pin and kind of angled it. Works like a charm. But this door weighs about 80 pounds. I mean, it's full interior on the door. It's got door panels. Well, mostly it's got roll-ups, but it's, I mean, full functional, full steel. But it is heavy, heavy. We just pulled up here for our first pass. So it's crowded as all get out here. There's a lot of people. So somebody just broke in the right lane. So we're going to come off in the left lane and see if we make a pass. We got to turn up a little bit from our previous no time event. So we'll see if it works or not. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll see. I'm going to show y'all the time though regardless. So it may or may not. It may go faster, but it may not. I don't know. We'll see. that was not a bad pass. A personal best for me down here. Went a 136 60 foot, 367 to the half track. Then a 550 at 136. And this thing, man, there is hardly any stopping room. I had to shoot out early. I didn't run it way past the finish line, just about a tenth of a second. But it was tough to get it stopped. I did get it stopped in time, but that was fine. So I'm close on what I was thinking it was going to run. Put a different tune-up in it. I'm going to leave it a little bit more boost and try to get a little bit faster 60 foot. That 136 60 foot is just a little bit slow. So other than that, though, I'm going to leave all the suspension stuff the same. I'm going to add 1 pound of dome pressure taken off. And then I'm going to add, I think it was 3 pounds of boost on the big end. I'm going to see if I can get it so that it'll go, I mean, it should be able to go 130 60 foot, maybe 130 32. Maybe I need to add another 2 pounds. Okay, yeah, I'm going to add 2 pounds of dome pressure. I'm going to put it at 8 pounds on the leave. I'm going to try to get it to go some 40s. That's my goal, is to go like a 40, 45. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so we just pushed up here. We're fixing to do our second pass. We turned it up a little bit. Sun's going down. It's starting to get cold, but we're going to see exactly what happens. So hopefully, if it holds it and I'm able to shift it out a little bit further, hopefully it'll go some 40s. Maybe it'll go into 40s. We'll see what happens. Pull it down. All right, there you go. That didn't quite work out the way I anticipated. We turned it up a little too much. Brandon out helping me today, I appreciate it. So we got out there, only added 2 pounds of dome pressure, and it did make a pound more of boost right here. There's a little bit more aggressive ramp, but it made it to right there where the converter started grabbing. It's 0.75 into the run at 11 pounds of boost, and it just kicked the tires. And you know, track's cold now, the sun is down, so there's not a ton of people. Well, there's a ton of people out here still, but most of the cars out here that are running now are street cars, so there's not a lot of slicks on it. You know, some of them are on drag radials. A lot of cars out here. Fun day at the track, so it was a good time. But that one just kicked the tires. You can see it went to the rev limiter. I pedaled it. I was hoping it was going to recover, and I turned the boost modulation on, And you can see if you watch dome pressure dumps, and then it starts coming back up when I get back on the gas. So that, I was hoping that was going to help, but it didn't really help it recover. But I'm an idiot. I talk about it all the time. When you're on a no prep, you shouldn't just swat it. So you can see the blue line up at the top. I swatted it real quick, so I should have eased back onto it. Let's see how quick that swat was. That's 1.149, and then come back right there is wide open. So within a tenth of a second, tenth and a half, I was off and then back on the throttle. So it's never going to recover when you do that. So I mean, that's an idiot. I'm an idiot, but it is what it is. So motor is still running. We're about to load it up on the trailer now. So this forced induction's GTR 102 is just bad to the bone. It makes a bunch of power. We can turn it down. It's awesome. It works good. So we're fixing to load this thing up and go to the house. Good day of testing. All right, guys, well, that was a great day of testing. We had fun, got to see a little bit of action, got to smell some tire smoke and burn some rubber. Can't beat it. Y'all go fast and get some wind lights. We'll try again in a week or two. We had a blast. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see y'all next time. Thanks. Bye.